ILMN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Illumina stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos, 5 years of experience, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And ILMN, I'm here to tell you that, I mean, as much as it looks like a very decent bullish market, it's not going to be immediate buy for me. Like, if I zoom out, I mean, all I will be still sticking to is my strategy and my edge that I've refined over 5 years. But I mean, to be just very, very real with you, this would only make it a buy if all the rules are met. Like, nothing should be like an exception. For in my eyes, this is just kind of sort of melting, and the only thing that I'll pull the trigger on is a solid double break confirmation. Now, people are gonna have FOMO and all that good jazz, but I would rather just stick to my edge, because this is the data shows that it's working. The data is on the YouTube channel, so you can check it out. All 44,000 videos. So that's how ILMN is looking like. I'll have a big caps waiting sign here, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.